Do you regularly switch between personal and work accounts? Or maybe you have multiple email or social media accounts that you don't want mixing together. Firefox Multi-Account Containers is one of Mozilla's most useful extensions because it lets you separate websites into isolated containers, making it possible to stay logged into multiple accounts at the same time while improving your privacy. In this video, I'll show you how to install Firefox Multi-Account Containers. Let's begin. Open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the upper right corner. From the menu, choose Extensions and Themes. Once the Add-ons Manager opens, click inside the search bar and search for Firefox Multi-Account Containers. Look for the official extension published by Firefox. Open its page, then click Add to Firefox. Firefox will display the permissions required by the extension. Review them, then click Add to continue. After a few moments, the extension will be installed. You can choose to keep it on your toolbar by clicking OK when prompted, or later by opening the extensions menu and pinning it. Once installed, you'll see the Multi-Account Containers icon near the top of the browser. From there, you can start creating containers for different purposes, such as work, personal, banking, shopping, or social media. Each container stores its own cookies and login sessions, allowing you to stay signed into different accounts on the same website without constantly logging in and out. It's also a useful privacy feature because it helps reduce cross-site tracking between different browsing activities. Installing the extension only takes a minute, but it can completely change how you organize your browsing and manage multiple online accounts. Hopefully, this guide helped you get Firefox Multi-Account Containers up and running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.